Welcome back everyone to our channel. Today we're going to see how to switch account on Roblox Mobile. If you play Roblox on your phone or tablet, you might want to switch between accounts, maybe one for gaming, one for building, or maybe you share the device with a friend or a sibling. Luckily, switching accounts on Roblox Mobile is super quick and easy, and here's how to do it. Firstly, launch the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android device. At the bottom of the screen, tap the three dots inside the circle. This will open the main Roblox menu. Now scroll all the way down until you see Logout. Tap it and Roblox will ask you if you're sure. Just confirm that you want to log out. Now, once you're logged out, the app will take you back to the login screen. Tap Login, then enter the username and password of the Roblox account you want to switch to. Finally, just hit login again, and that's it. You've now successfully switched accounts in Roblox Mobile. If you switch account often, make sure you have your login info saved somewhere safe. That way, you won't risk losing access to your Roblox accounts. Thank you guys, and if this guide helped you out, please be sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more quick Roblox tips and tutorials.